Happy Thursday, writers, readers, scholars, ELA 7th grade. When we'll be meeting live Monday and Tuesday, office hours tonight and tomorrow from 2:40 to 4. If you need any support or help tomorrow, let me know. So our learning target for today is I can write narratives to develop real experiences by using effective techniques for relevant descriptive details. So today what we're going to be writing about is we're going to set our timers for 10 minutes. And I want you to think about your most memorable childhood memory. And it should be a clear memory. Think about all of the details that might have been involved. Of course, you might not remember everything, but you should remember most of it to be able to write for the full 10 minutes. It can be something that is sad or happy, but 10 minutes about one of your most memorable childhood memory. Totally up to you and how you want to take it. But yeah, go ahead. And remember, if you have any questions or concerns, I have office hours. And just stop by and say hi. I hope you all have a great day.